What's the most disorganized spot in your kitchen? Sometimes the answer to this question is very tricky, as no matter how much we organize, a place like the kitchen has so many spots to be organized, and over the time, you happen to end up having numerous spots which don't remain as organized as you want. As quoted by Louis Parrish, if you can organize your kitchen, you can organize your life. The smart organizers can make your kitchen smart, but choosing them smartly can keep your kitchen smart always. Hello everyone, this is Priyanka and once again welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share few ideas with some organizers which can help you keep your kitchen organized. So without wasting any time, let's get into today's video.
There are always certain places in our house which might be frequently used but still remain disorganized for the very reason that they're easy to access. So it's important to find a way to organize such spaces. This cabinet has RO in it and all these bottles. No matter how hard I try, this area always becomes messy. Recently, I found an amazing product on Amazon. It's an expandable wine rack which can make a perfect case to organize bottles in this area. This can be expanded according to the space you have in your cabinet. Now just keep it in the middle in order to put the bottles. Don't keep it at the other end of the cabinet, otherwise bottles will fall. So instead of just getting one big one, which again will not fit in properly here, I ordered two small ones in the same size. I will stack one over another in order to utilize the vertical space efficiently. Now keep your bottles in the slot and organize the area. You can also use this to keep all your extra oil bottles organized in your pantry unit. We tend to see the pictures and videos and then without thinking much we order that product. I have just one suggestion. Think smartly if that can be useful to you. Check your space. Properly take measurements before getting any organizer. This wine rack was just perfect as it can expand and easily adjust nicely in the space. We spend so much time in the kitchen. Say cooking, washing, cleaning, a lot happens. And the kitchen towel plays an important role in keeping it clean. We use towels for wiping hands, to wipe the dishes, and then after every use, we keep them here and there. That makes the kitchen look messy, and also the towels don't dry up fast. Here, I found an amazing product on Amazon, the napkin holder. This has the zigzag teeth in the front that holds the towel nicely, and it comes with a self adhesive, which you can stick on tiles or to the cabinet. Before sticking it to the tiles, make sure that you have properly cleaned the area. Just peel it off from the back and stick it on the tile surface. Now just tuck the towels in it. No more drills and towels are properly organized. Nicely you can hang the towels and wipe your hands. And without any problem, it's easy to remove it back from the holder. This comes in a pack of 2 just for rupees 90. Can you guys believe it? Small but very functional. Organizers like these are perfect if you are on rent. Does it feel like no matter how much you stack those lids up, they never quite stay put? If you're having that kind of mess cluttering your kitchen cabinets, I have a perfect solution for that. You just need a plate organizer or a plate rack. First, you separate the lids from the containers, and then here I am using 2 baskets of different sizes to organize those containers. In one basket, I am keeping all the glass containers, and in the other basket, I will arrange all the Tupperware and the steel containers. All the big containers in both the baskets are kept in the file system, and the small glass and plastic containers are stacked one over another. Now, as we have a plate rack on the other side, stack lids vertically on the plate rack. Arrange and divide them by size and see how easily you can find the lids with the box. Next time, when you need a box and a lid, you can easily find it. And also, you can store them back in no time. Sometimes there are cabinets which are very narrow and deep. I also have one such in my home. Whenever I take anything from here, all the other stuff falls and doesn't stay put. The normal organizers don't fit properly because we can't get exact same size for them. Now look at these shelf dividers, which can be very appropriate for such cabinets. These are basically closet dividers but can also be used for such narrow cabinets in the kitchen. You just have to insert them, and the best thing about these organizers is that you can adjust the gap according to your need. Just insert as many as you want and your DIY shelf organizer is ready. Now you can easily keep things and you don't have to worry about messing up the space every time you operate it. This over the head microwave organizer. You all have seen many times on my videos, but I always get the question about where I bought it from. I got it from Amazon and it works amazing. Just keep your microwave under it. Over the microwave, you get so much space to organize or store many of your kitchen related stuff. And when you organize your kitchen stuff over the microwave in this vertical space, it leaves so much space on the countertop for meal prep. You can keep all the things which you usually keep on the countertop. Create so much vertical space, and what makes it unique is that after organizing so much stuff, you can still use microwave without worrying about getting things out first when you operate your microwave. Make the corner look beautiful and also organize much of your stuff. Command hooks work great when it comes to organize and hide few things in the kitchen. Command hooks comes in different sizes and shapes. You can organize many small things that might usually get neglected from organization, like oven mitts. Just stick one hook on the side of the microwave stand or just right behind the microwave on the tiles and organize your oven mitts. These small things we usually ignore, but if properly organized, can be easily found when you need them to use. In the same way, the magic corners can be used to organize the microwave grillers at the back of the cabinets using command hooks. We don't use them often, and dead spaces like these can also be properly used for storage. I also use the command hooks in my sink area to hang the kitchen dusting cloth. I have been using it from last 3 years, and still the same hook are still in the place and are getting used properly. Small yet important thing for organizing the kitchen stuff. Whenever you buy organizers for arranging your kitchen, make sure you're choosing them smartly, like this plate and bowl organizer. Sometimes we just want our kitchen to look the most beautiful, and these organizers are just perfect. They solve the problem of organizing and also make your kitchen look pretty. This occupies the same area, but in that specific area we got plates and more space for organizing the bowls as well. This organizer can also be used on the countertop for extra storage, like for keeping plates, bowls, lids, and glasses occasionally. It can also be used near the sink for drying the dishes. When you're hosting, it will just be the effective way to arrange all your plates in it and keep it on the dining table for your guest. It can also be kept in the cabinets to organize plates and bowls. One organizer which can be used in many ways around the home. Sometimes in cabinet we just can't get enough space for organizing things in it if they are kept in the wrong way. Here you can see the bigger plates are kept in stack. Now since these plates have big diameter which occupies more space horizontally. Now if I keep these plates in the shelf organizer, then also it will take more space horizontally because of its diameter. So a more effective way is to go for vertical space when horizontal space is somewhat exhausting. Use a plate rack or a plate organizer and keep it on the one side to organize all your big and even your small plates in it. Now we have used the vertical space and so much of space has left in the middle. which can be used in organizing the other stuff like keeping the plates, the bottle platter, and other crockery in front. Earlier, it was not possible for me to utilize space efficiently. Now it's possible, so always try to think of using the vertical space as much as possible while organizing your home or your kitchen. Organizing the pantry unit is always one of the most difficult tasks in order to utilize this space efficiently. Basket, which comes with a lid, especially the big baskets like these, are really helpful in organizing the pantry unit. A good idea would be always use the last shelf to store new stock which you don't need soon. For this purpose, use a basket, keep all things in it, and then cover it with a lid. These baskets with lids give you extra storage space for keeping one more basket on top of it for organizing your pantry. When you stack baskets one over another, they're easy to operate and don't create clutter. In this basket, I like to keep the packets which are open. In this way, it is easily accessible. And in the same way, in the top shelf, I like to keep all the new spice packets which are opened and clipped nicely. And then I kept in this locked basket in order to avoid the sogginess. On the top of it, in this basket, I kept all the new packed spices. Again, a good use of vertical space and gives yourself extra storage for storing other things in the pantry unit. The doors of your pantry unit or kitchen cabinets can be used for extra vertical storage for organizing the kitchen stuff. A sponge organizer, which is typically designed to organize the sink area, can also be used in the pantries. Just remove the adhesive and stick it on the pantry door. And now you have a very good organizer to organize all the small sachets in it, like keep the popcorn, soup, extra sauce, small biscuits, chocolates, and everything in here. All in all small things can be organized smartly if we think smartly. Recently, I got all these pickle sweets from Sitara Food. Sitara Food is an online store from where you can get pickles, spices, ghee, and sweets. And the products are 100% homemade with best quality ingredients. The first impressive thing when I received the products was the packaging. All the products were nicely packed and delivered without any damage. They double pack everything and make it non breakable. I tried these pickles and all the varieties which I ordered was just amazing. The perfect match of flavors to make meal more delicious. Everybody in my family liked the sweets very much, especially these Tirupati style laddus and these gujiyas which has such a mouth-watering filling inside with a perfect blend of nuts and sweetness. All the products delivered to me were fresh, especially the ghee. The flavor, the taste is just amazing. If you want to order all these products, you can find the link below in the description box. I would like to suggest giving it a try and I'm sure you will like it a lot.
These were a few ideas to organize the kitchen. All these organizers are helping me to keep my kitchen organized, and I really hope you will find them useful too. If you liked today's video, then please do share this video with all your friends and family. Like the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more video related updates. I'll see you next time with another video. Till then, stay home, take care, and bye bye.